Hello dear friends, let's welcome to Sunanda's Mathematics channel. Let's see lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Now what is meant by angle? Angle is a geometrical figure, see here, AB and BC, or you can say BA and BC. These are two different rays and they meet each other at the same point B and figure of angle is formed. What we need to form an angle? We need two different rays with the same origin or same point. So this is angle ABC. Where these two different rays meet to each other, that is called vertex of the angle. And these two different rays are arms of the angle. So how to read this angle? Angle ABC. B is vertex of the angle because these two different rays meet each other at this point. Then BA and BC, these two rays are arms of the angle. So name of the angle. What is name of the angle? Angle A, B, C. You can read the angle by using three different ways. You read like this, angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B where the angle is formed. You can use the single letter also. Which three ways I have told you? Angle ABC, angle CBA or angle B. So here name of the angle, angle ABC. Then vertex of the angle. Where these two different rays meet each other, that point is called vertex of the angle. So here vertex of the angle, point B. Then write name of the arms of the angle. These two different rays are arms of the angle. Arm, or you can say side BA and side BC. These are sides of the angle or arms of the angle. So here I am writing side BA and side BC. So this is about the angle. Hope so it is clear to everyone how to read name of the angle, vertex of the angle and names of the arms. Now what is meant by the interior and exterior of an angle? Observe this figure. In this figure angle PQR is there. Now interior means inside, exterior means outside. So the meaning of interior and exterior is hidden inside its name only. Interior means inside, exterior means outside. So it is very simple. So which point lies in the interior part of the angle? Point N, point O, point T and point M. These all points lies in the interior part of the angle. So it is called interior of the angle. In simple way, the points which lies inside the angle are called points in the interior part of the angle. And exterior means outside of the angle. Which points are there? Point G, point D, point S and point E. These points lies in the exterior part of the angle. And points on the angle, on the arms of the angles, point P, point Q and point R. These points lies on the arms of the angle. So this is interior, exterior and on the angles. Understood? Very simple, interior and exterior. Now the next term, what is mean by adjacent angles? Adjacent means neighbors. Very simple. Observe this figure, angle BMD, and here one ray is drawn, that is ray MQ. If you read these two angles, observe what similarities you find in that. Angle BMQ and angle QMD. First similarity, both have the same vertex, point M. Then you see angle BMQ. MQ is one arm of this angle BMQ. Now read angle QMD. Here also QM is one arm of this angle. Means two similarities we find here in these two angles, angle BMQ and angle QMB. In these two angles, vertex is same and one arm is common. Arm MQ is arm of this angle as well as this angle. Now observe their interior parts. Interior part of angle BMQ is different than interior part of angle QMD. These are the three conditions to be the angles adjacent angles. I will read the definition. Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. Once again I read. Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. Observe this figure once again. In these two angles, M is the common vertex of these both angles. Similarly, arm MQ is common to these both angles, and observe their interior parts. Interior part of angle BMQ is separate and interior part of QMD angle is also separate. Means this figure shows all these three conditions: common vertex, common arm, and the interiors are separate. So what we can say? Therefore, angle BMQ and angle QMD are adjacent angles. Clear all these things? What I have taught in this? What is meant by angle? How it forms? Name of the angle, vertex of the angle, arms of the angle. After that, I have explained you what is meant by interior part, exterior part, and points lies on the arms of the angle. After that, what is meant by adjacent angle? These three conditions are there: common vertex, common arm, and separate interiors. Hope so you understood all these three things. Remaining I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.